Just WhatsApp, guys, you may not be able to create the website you are, and you want to create the website with AI, but you who want to create the website absolutely for free, do not want to spend some money, etc., then I will tell you the best way if you are who you are inside your website. Whatever your website is, you just have to pick up an attachment, like take a complete backup of it and upload what you have. On top of ChatGPT is a completely free source from which you can do anything inside your website. So this video I have created for those who are absolutely free and without the help of any developer and with the help of ChatGPT, those who want to create their website with AI for free. Then I also created my entire website, which is a first React, etc., from another app. Lovable is an app builder, website builder. I made a website out of it. But in today's video, how can I make some corrections in my website with you? If you like what you have, if you pay the developer, then if you pay extra money, then it will not pay you. You can edit your website with your AI for free. You can change anything. So first of all, I show you, look at the core craft marketing. In this is my website, and look at the lovable app, lovable generated project that is coming like this. Then I want to change it. If it does not come like this, then this is what I want to do. If I hate the developer, it is also possible. It can't be incoherent. Okay, so let's first talk about how do I change this. Exactly chart done with the help of GPT. When I wrote again, when I made all the changes, you see what I have when I write code craft marketing in. So everything I have has changed. Alright, that's what I wanted to do. This is before and this is after. So I had confusion between these two things. How do I do that? With the help of free. If you want to create your entire website, then Lovable is a website with Lovable that you can create a site absolutely free of charge, but they will tell you to pay. Check out my next video. I will teach you how to create a website for free. Well, with the help of this, you can create a website absolutely for free. First of all, this is a Visual Studio Code. So inside this, you have to do 1 or 2 extensions inside this, which you can harass the agent. If you have like live server or catenary tools, then you can do that. Now, what if you do any command in the agent in it? Now, for example, inside Visual Studio, I wrote it on hey SI file. Can you please check this website live on local? Then they will say upgrade what you have, upgrade GitHub to Copilot row, which is not possible at all. I don't want to pay for anything. Okay, then Lovable. There is a website that you can create with AI. It also seems like it costs money with Bolt. You have to make money everywhere. Inside Visual Studio, if I beat the agent, I will have to pay $10 approx. I don't want to give this either. So that's why I thought this is my website, right? Like this is my website. Now how will I do what I have to change in this website? So I don't understand anything. So I thought, why can't we change it with the help of 4 GPTs? Well, if I went inside the 4 GPTs and wrote everything, what is my website? Something has to change in it. I have to change the title. I have to change the picture. And I have to put a link, and I have to change the name of what I have, which is the pop-up. Okay, so all the things I mentioned here, he will give me some such files. I have to edit the files and how to do it. Then here I have taken a complete backup of my entire website and downloaded it. And I have provided it with a complete zip file. I will tell you a little slowly. Look, upload the add file, and here I took a backup of the website that was created. Here I took a backup of my website, downloaded the zip file, and I attached the same zip file and I sent it to him. Okay, now my ChatGPT will analyze my entire website, what is inside it and what is not inside it. Then it will scroll as many pages inside my entire website. He will change everything. Then he will tell me what I can do, what I can't do. Well, inside him, he will tell me some things like what I have to do. Like, for example, he first told me that, look, what is inside your website? There are some such things like a title, description, image, or URL. How to correct it? You first copy it and inside it, like I changed over here. If you write what you want to do in the title, then you will write to 4GPD. Then 4GPD will do that thing for you. They will tell you what you have to do. Okay, then here I uploaded all those things, made a copy and sent it to him. Now after that he told me that, friend, look what is your image, that is your image. Copy the name WhatsApp review JPG key, and what this name is. Suppose you copy the name of this file, rename what you have. Suppose I have this photo, then I want to show it on the back end of my marketing, which is the name of my website. So whenever someone writes a name, I uploaded what it is, and here I changed its name. Well, now it's done here. After that, he said that this is the photo. Don't you put it inside the public, above the public, and put it inside the asset. So what did I do? I went inside the public. What did I do inside the GitHub here inside the public? Now tell you what is GitHub. I will tell you about GitHub. I have already made a video. You can watch it. It is absolutely free. You can place the website on it. You don't have to pay any money. You don't have to pay anything. So look here, I uploaded the file. As soon as I uploaded that file, commit change up below, and after that I did it inside the public and have to go inside an asset. Pass the asset inside the source. After that you have to upload it, and this commit change I have also changed this photo. Now there was another thing in it that I had to change the name of my website, which is the name of my image. It's JPG, I think. So I check once what he gave me. He gave me WhatsApp review.jpg. I have to do JPG. I will give after that. I will copy the one I have. Look at the image. If my visibility will be on, then that's what I am doing exactly right. All these things tell you exactly. Well, now what is after that? Now I have changed its image. Now I want what I changed to the rest, like the title, description, and how will I do all those things. So he will tell me, now whatever your correction is, whatever the name is, like for example, I had created this, what is mine inside the website. I have this, what I created, meta title, description, code craft, marketing, provide 100% general service. This is my photo. This is my link, and this is my website. So where do I put this? What I have to place inside the headache, what I have to upload inside the headache, what I have to upload inside the headache, title inside the headache, title below the headache. Look here, I have the name of meta property. This which I copied from here, remove from here, and ditto will see the same thing to me below. This ditto will look exactly the same here as well. Look at this. Oh yeah. Title, description, image means I have to remove the one above and I have to use this one. Then I will use this one. Then I will remove the one above. Look, I have removed it, and this which has just come to me from the side of 4GPT, then I will use what is, okay, I have changed it, removed it, and replace it here. All those things tell you 4GPT, where inside the file, where do you have to do it inside the header, where do you have to do it inside the title. Okay, you have done all this, and then as soon as your update gets done, you have to say, brother, look, this is my image, this is the photo I put there, and it is absolutely okay. And you have your Codecraft marketing link, which is like, for example, as soon as I put it here, those things will be reflected here. You will see that too. So if you have to get anything done with your help, then you can get it done absolutely for free with the help of AI. And like, for example, what I have inside the Codecraft marketing inside the front end is MSTE premium. If I have to do this, then he will tell me who you are. Now the MSTE premium dot digital product that is at the top here, which is inside the tab, then if you want to delete it, then please do it to me and put it inside the welcome to Codecraft marketing. Then he will also tell me which file inside. What is the thing to replace? If you like the video, then like and subscribe to this Codecraft solution channel. And guys, what is in it? I will tell you a lot of things related to the entire website development for free. Hope you like the video. Thank you guys for the help of like, subscribe.
Generate by AI.